Well, we do an intensive 5-week field course every summer that goes to some pretty remote places in Colorado. It spends almost all of its time outside. And it's an annual process of putting together this course with 5 different professors, and lots of logistics and lots of different student needs from year to year. Typically we have 20 to 30 students, sometimes more on this. And so we really wanted to get this organized, both from a safety and a logistical perspective.
Because the environment is different, the expectations can also feel different, but this is a way of codifying for the students. Like, this is still part of CSU, and just because we're sleeping in tents instead of our own beds, that doesn't mean that any of the rules have changed. In fact, there may be things that are relevant now that are not relevant. So if there was an emergency situation, because we're in a remote area, same thing, where is a place I can go to get the information I need? And so the manual would serve to do that for them. Okay, I know I can go here and I can find information that will deal with this situation. Because we are a very field-based discipline, there's really recently in the community been a push to develop really solid policies and how should we deal with what are some field best practices. And so I wanted to make sure that we were staying in line with Colorado State, but also wanted to make sure that we were in step with what the geoscience community as a whole is developing right now.